Car parked for months? Think the battery stays healthy forever? That's a myth. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we're busting the myth that a car battery lasts forever when left unused. If you think that's true, know that it's a myth. Even when unused, your battery keeps aging. Inside, the battery's chemical composition changes over time, which reduces its ability to hold charge and perform efficiently. So even a parked car can leave you stranded. That's why it's important to get your battery checked. Our expert technicians check your car battery for signs of aging and performance loss, helping keep your car running smoothly for longer. To help keep things convenient, we even send you preemptive alerts on the S-Connect app, sending out alerts as early as 45 days before your battery degrades. To keep your battery healthy, it is recommended to drive your car at least once a month for about 30 minutes. This helps recharge the battery naturally. And if your vehicle won't be driven for a month or longer, disconnecting the battery cable is advisable. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.